हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम लिखने वाले हैं डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी के ऊपर ऐसे 400 वर्ड्स में। तो दोस्तों, अगर यह ऐसे आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगा तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं। डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन वाज अ ग्रेट स्कॉलर, टीचर and second president of India. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on September 5, 1888 at the place of India's Tirumurti, now Andhra Pradesh. His father's name was Sarvepalli Veeraswamy and the mother's name was Sitamma. His father used to work in the revenue department. Dr. Radhakrishnan was a poor but wise scholar Brahmin. He had 4 brothers and 1 sister. His family was very religious. His childhood was spent on religious places like Tirutani and Tirupati. His family financial situation was very bad, so he completed most of the education with the help of scholarship. He was very interested in studying from the beginning. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's early education took place between 1896-1900 in Christian Missionary Institute Lutheran Mission School, Tirupati. He had studied at Vellore till 1900 to 1904. He passed matric examination in 1902 and received scholarship. He studied at Madras Christian College, Madras. He did MA in philosophy. In 1916, Madras Residency College was appointed as assistant professor of philosophy. Later, he was also a professor in the same college. He also became a professor at Oxford. He became chancellor at Delhi University and vice chancellor at Banaras Hindu University. He was a famous teacher and became one of the most respected scholars and statesmen of the India. He was a meritorious student since his childhood. In 1903, at the age of 16, Radhakrishnan was married to Shivkamu. He had 5 daughters and 1 son. Dr. Radhakrishnan was a good writer who wrote many articles and books on Indian tradition, religion and philosophy. Some of his books are The Philosophy of the Upanishad, East and West Some Reflection, Bhagavad Gita, Eastern Religion and Western Thought, An Idealist View of Life, Indian Philosophy, Hindu View of Life, etc. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan ji remained the Vice President of India from May 13, 1952 to May 12, 1962. After that, he remained the President of India from 13 May 1962 to 13 May 1967. He was the second President of independent India. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar, a well-educated teacher and a Hindu thinker. Due to these same qualities, in 1954, the Indian government honored him with the highest honor, Bharat Ratna, on his birthday anniversary. 5th of September, Teachers' Day is celebrated to pay him tribute. He died on April 17, 1975 at the age of 86. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's name will always be remembered in the education world.